Let's see your kangaroo hop. And hop. Coming in hot. Good kangaroo hops, Natalie. Here's Quentin. Very nicely done. Good job. Good job, Natalie. Natalie, what's your favorite thing to do in the snow?
Making tracks.
Quentin, what's your favorite thing about being in the snow?
Making the snow.
Olivia, what do you like most about skiing?
Skiing.
So what's your favorite part about skiing? Is it the snow?
My favorite part of skiing is actually putting on my skis.
Yeah?
Kind of strange.
So, Logan, what's your favorite part of skiing?
Ice hockey skiing.
Skate skiing?